Hey guys, Brian at Dreamedia, and today we're at CES 2022 and we're checking out the all-new Samsung micro LED TVs. So what you guys are looking at is our new micro LEDs. We've actually announced that these are going to be released at some point in time. We don't have a price point or a release date on them yet, but one of the greatest things about it is each pixel is self-illuminating. So there are 4K displays with over 24 million subpixels, and each one of those are individual LEDs, so the red, green, and blue, to do the lighting. It also allows us to get a much better black level, and the contrast ratio does go extremely high with that as well. We do have a great audio system with up to 100 watts. It includes Dolby Atmos and a 6.2.2 channel array. We have the models in the 110 inch, 99 inch, and the 89 inch as well. All right guys, so let me know in the comments what you guys think of the new Samsung micro LED TVs. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. We'll be hitting you with some more content, and leave your comments below. Thanks a lot guys.